Welcome, fashionistas! Get ready to dive into the glamorous world of Dior as we count down the top 8 Dior handbags of all time. If you're obsessed with luxury and timeless style, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll be spilling all the tea on these iconic bags, from their fascinating history, what makes them so coveted, to their price at launch and their value today. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Founded in 1946 by the legendary Christian Dior, the House of Dior revolutionized fashion with its new look silhouette, embracing femininity and elegance. From the iconic bar jacket to the dreamy gowns, Dior became synonymous with luxury and sophistication. Today, we're focusing on their incredible handbag legacy. Get ready for some serious bag envy. Make sure you're subscribed to Fashionfix so you don't miss out on any of our fashion breakdowns. Kicking off our list at number 8 is the iconic Lady Dior Bag. This bag is the epitome of timeless elegance with a royal stamp of approval. Launched in 1995, it was originally called Chouchou, meaning favorite in French. But its destiny changed forever when France's First Lady, Bernadette Chirac, gifted one to Princess Diana. Can you imagine being showered with such a gorgeous gift? Diana fell head over heels for the bag, carrying it everywhere. Talk about a story fairy tale. The Lady Dior instantly became a global sensation, its popularity soaring higher than the Eiffel Tower. And for good reason. The bag's signature canage stitching, inspired by the Napoleon III chairs used at Dior's fashion shows, adds a touch of regal charm. It's crafted from the finest lambskin leather, making it incredibly soft and luxurious to the touch. Seriously, it feels like you're holding a cloud. Available in a rainbow of colors and sizes, there's a Lady Dior for every personality. At its release, the Lady Dior would set you back around $1,900. Today, due to its iconic status and the ever-increasing cost of luxury, that same bag could cost you upwards of $7,000. Talk about an investment piece. The Lady Dior isn't just a bag, it's a piece of fashion history. It's a symbol of elegance, sophistication, and timeless style. Owning a Lady Dior is like owning a piece of Princess Diana's legacy, and who wouldn't want a touch of royalty in their lives? Time now to giddy up because at number 7 we have the Dior Saddle Bag, a true icon of the early 2000s. Designed by John Galliano during his reign at Dior, this bag is anything but ordinary. It's the year 2000, and the fashion world is obsessed with bold and edgy. Galliano sends this uniquely shaped bag down the runway, and boom! It becomes an instant sensation. Celebrities like Beyoncé and Carrie Bradshaw rocked the saddlebag, cementing its status as the it bag. Inspired by the equestrian world, its curved shape resembles a saddle. It's like carrying a piece of art with you. Galliano's use of bold colors, luxurious materials, and the signature Dior D charm made it a statement piece. Maria Grazia Chiuri revived the saddlebag in 2018, staying true to its iconic shape with modern updates. Whether vintage or modern, the Dior saddlebag is a true fashion chameleon, always evolving but always iconic. Coming in at number 6, we have the Dior Book Tote, the ultimate symbol of effortless chic. This bag is for the modern woman who loves to travel in style, carrying all her essentials and then some. Launched in 2018 under the creative direction of Maria Grazia Chiuri, the book tote quickly became a street-style favorite. It's not hard to see why. The bag's spacious design is perfect for carrying everything you need for a busy day, from your laptop and notebook to your makeup bag and favorite book. But don't let its practicality fool you. This bag is all about making a statement. The book tote is crafted from Dior's signature embroidered canvas, featuring intricate patterns and motifs that are instantly recognizable. Each tote takes hours of skilled craftsmanship to create, making it a true testament to Dior's dedication to quality. One of the best things about the book tote is its versatility. You can dress it up with a chic blazer and heels for a day at the office, or dress it down with jeans and a t-shirt for a more casual look. At the time of its release, the Dior book tote was priced around $2,700. Today, due to its enduring popularity and the rising costs of luxury goods, you can expect to pay upwards of $3,500 for this spacious beauty. This Dior bag is proof that practicality and style can coexist in perfect harmony. It's the ultimate investment for the woman who wants it all, a spacious and functional bag that also makes a major fashion statement. Hold on tight, fashionistas, because at number 5 we have the Diorama Bag, a sleek and edgy masterpiece that's all about making a statement. This bag is for those who dare to be different, who love to push boundaries and embrace their unique sense of style. Launched in 2015 by then creative director Raf Simons, the Diorama bag was an instant hit with fashion editors and influencers alike. It was like a breath of fresh air, a bold departure from the ultra-feminine designs Dior was known for at the time. The Diorama bag is all about architectural lines, geometric patterns, and a modern minimalist aesthetic. The bag's signature feature is its bold, oversized clasp, a modern take on Dior's iconic canage pattern. It's like a piece of jewelry for your bag. And speaking of jewelry, the Diorama bag is often adorned with intricate embellishments, from studs and crystals to chains and charms. These details add a touch of glamour and edge, making the bag truly unique. When it first hit the shelves, the Diorama bag started at around $3,500. Today, you can expect to pay anywhere from $4,000 to well over $5,000 for a pre-loved diorama, depending on its condition and rarity. The Diorama bag is a testament to Dior's ability to constantly innovate and evolve while staying true to its heritage. It's a bag for the modern woman who isn't afraid to stand out from the crowd, who embraces her individuality and makes a statement with every step she takes. Next, get ready to be transported to the heart of Parisian elegance, because at number 4, we have the 30 Montaigne bag, a tribute to Dior's legendary address and timeless style. This bag is for the woman who appreciates understated elegance, who values quality over quantity, and knows that true style never goes out of fashion. Launched in 2019 by Maria Grazia Chiuri, the 30 Montaigne bag quickly became a modern classic, capturing the hearts of fashion lovers worldwide. Its sleek, minimalist design is both timeless and contemporary, making it the perfect everyday bag for the modern woman on the go. The bag's name, 30 Montaigne, is a nod to Dior's iconic flagship store in Paris. This historic location is not just a store, it's a symbol of Dior's legacy, a place where fashion dreams are made. The 30 Montaigne bag is crafted from the finest calfskin leather, known for its durability and luxurious feel. It's the kind of bag that gets better with age, developing a beautiful patina over time. One of the bag's most distinctive features is its oversized CD clasp, a bold and modern interpretation of Dior's initials. At the time of its release, the 30 Montaigne bag was priced around $3,800. Thanks to its enduring popularity and the ever-increasing cost of luxury, you can expect to pay upwards of $5,000 for this beauty today. The 30 Montaigne bag is more than just a bag. It's a piece of Dior's history, a symbol of timeless elegance and a reminder that true style never goes out of fashion. Hold on to your hats, fashion lovers, because at number 3 we have the Dior Bobby bag, a true testament to Dior's ability to create timeless pieces. This bag is all about effortless elegance and Parisian chic. Launched in 2020, the Bobby bag was named after Christian Dior's beloved dog, Bobby. It's all about clean lines, minimal hardware, and a structured silhouette. The perfect everyday bag for the modern woman who values style and practicality. Crafted from the finest box calfskin, it's as durable as it is chic. Wear it crossbody for a casual look, or carry it by its top handle for sophistication. The Dior Bobby bag is proof that sometimes less is more. Number 2. The Caro Bag Quilted Couture Dreams. Get ready to swoon, because the Dior Caro bag is a quilted beauty that's as elegant as it is on trend. This bag is for the woman who loves a touch of luxury in her everyday life, who appreciates fine craftsmanship, and who knows that a statement bag can elevate any outfit. Launched in 2021, the Caro bag quickly became a favorite among celebrities and influencers, spotted on the arms of style icons like Blackpink's Jisoo and model Bella Hadid. What sets the Caro bag apart is its exquisite quilting, a nod to the House of Dior's couture heritage. The intricate diamond pattern, known as canage, is created using a meticulous technique that involves countless tiny stitches. The Caro bag is crafted from supple calfskin leather that's buttery soft to the touch. It's the kind of bag you never want to put down. Adding to its luxurious appeal is the signature CD clasp, a bold and modern interpretation of Dior's initials. When it first graced the fashion scene, the Dior Caro bag was priced around $3,900. Today, due to its immense popularity and the ever-increasing demand for luxury goods, you can expect to pay upwards of $4,500 for this quilted beauty. The Dior Caro bag is a testament to the enduring power of classic design with a contemporary twist. Its exquisite quilting, luxurious materials, and timeless silhouette make it a true investment piece that will be cherished for years to come. Number 1. The Miss Dior Bag. Femininity never goes out of style. Taking the crown as our number 1 Dior bag of all time is the one and only Miss Dior Bag. This bag is the epitome of femininity, elegance, and timeless style. It's the kind of bag that makes you feel like $1,000,000, whether you're wearing a ball gown or jeans and a t-shirt. The Miss Dior bag debuted in 1947, the same year Christian Dior launched his New Look collection. Originally called Cherie, it was renamed Miss Dior in 1949 as a tribute to Dior's sister Catherine. The Miss Dior bag has been reinterpreted over the decades, but it always stays true to its original spirit of elegance and femininity. Today's Miss Dior bag features the iconic canage quilting, a nod to the Napoleon III chairs used at Dior's fashion shows. The Miss Dior bag is more than just an accessory. It's a piece of fashion history, a symbol of enduring style, and a reminder that true elegance never goes out of fashion. Which Dior handbag would you choose from our countdown of the top 8 Dior handbags of all time? From the iconic Lady Dior to the timeless Miss Dior, any one of these is a touch of Parisian magic, right? Don't forget to subscribe to Fashionfix for more luxury fashion insights and countdowns. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Enjoyed this video? Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which Dior bag is your favorite. Follow us on TikTok at FashionFix6. May the fashion be with you. Bye for now.